Soil erosion and erosion. Soil erosion is the displacement, the transport of the deposition of the soil particles on land surface. Also termed as the loss of soil. Normally we are calling soil erosion is the loss of the soil. It is measured as mass per unit area. Normally, soil erosion is caused by due to natural process and due to human activities. When we comes under the natural process, the main reason is water and wind. Water leads to the soil erosion. Also, wind also leads to soil erosion. When we go the human activities, over cropping, over grazing, and the main thing is the deforestation. Deforestation nowadays, we all are involved in the deforestation. That is the main cause is the soil erosion. Types of soil erosion. The figure shows the systematic diagram of the seat erosion. Seat erosion is the removal of the thin layer of topsoil by raindrop, splash or water turn off. It is leads to the gradual soil erosion. Gully erosion. In gully erosion, the surface runoff is very high. Gullies reassemble large discharge or small valleys. When it is compared in meters, 10 meters in depth and width. Rail erosion. If seat erosion occurs with full force, the runoff water moves rapidly over the soil surface. It creates well-defined finger-shaped grooves like structures. It appears the thin channels or streams. It is known as rail erosion. The figure also shows the detailed diagram. Stream bank erosion. The rivers during floods splash their water against the banks. In this way, the water flows through them, particularly at the curves. Water strikes with great speed and the bank caves in a large side. This type of erosion is known as riparian erosion. Other types, wind erosion. Wind also one of the reason to initiate the erosion. Soil erosion by wind is common in dry region. Two characteristics of such region as one is the soil is mainly sand. The second is vegetation is very poor or even absent. That is the main reason. Landslides or slip erosion. The hydraulic pressure which is caused by heavy rains increase the weight of the rocks at ships. As a result, they come under the gravitational force and finally slip of the rainfall. Soil erosion image, landslides. Effects of soil erosion. It is lead to crop production in the low performance, reduce the crop production. Eroded soil is deposited in riverbeds, raising their levels and leading to devastating floods. Plant productivity decline. Desertification. Methods of conservation. Various methods of soil conservation may be broadly categorized in two ways. Organic practices, engineering practices. First one is organic practices, engineering practices. Organic practices, the method involves protection of the topsoil by special methods and a scheme of crop cultivation, crop rotation. In this method of growing a series of dissimilar crops in the area sequentially, Here different crops are grown in the same area by rotation, that is one after another. Crop rotation, when we go the crop rotation guide, we will get a lot of ideas. Crop rotation also helps in the improvement of soil structure and fertility. Strip cropping, in this method, the cultivated crops are covered and crops are sowed alternative strips during the same period in the same field. Engineering practices. Excavation of discharge. These are artificially created channels to divert the excess water. It is leads to reduce the soil erosion. Two types of discharge are commonly made. Diversion discharge, diverting the runoff away from the field. Interception of discharge, made the regular and suitable intervals across the cultivated field. These discharges do not allow formation of thick sheets of water. Terraces construction. This reduce slope, length and steepness to control the energy of the running water and the ability to carry soil away. Check dams. Small check dams are constructed out of the various materials like stones, timber, steel, etc. to control erosion by reducing the velocity of water flow. Windbreaks. Barriers formed by the trees and plants with may levels to control the wind velocity. It is used to control the wind velocity. These are the types and major reasons of soil erosion. The details are collected from these areas. Thank you.